Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and those of you who are new, hi, I'm Lola and I'm going to be showing you how to create this gorgeous look. So today I wanted to do something a little bit different. I feel like everyone likes like this wet, glossy, glowy, glowing from within kind of look. So I thought, even though I have oily skin, why not show you guys how I would wear this trend with my oily skin? So I found a picture for a little bit of inspiration because I'm also going to do a glossy lid, and I thought, let me show you y'all. It's really, really pretty. So let's let it focus. So it's kind of like a berry eye. So it's kind of like a bit dark, but what I googled was, I actually googled bronze glossy eyeshadow for eyes dark skin, but that's what came up and I like it. So it's very like basically nothing on her lips, but there is something very sheer and nude, and a glossy kind of blankety berry kind of eye, and I'm loving it. So her eyebrows are full, like, you know, she's got that arch and the chiseled. I love Jourdan Dunn, like she's stunning. So I thought, why not? But obviously I'm a dark girl, got all this pigmentation going on, so I'm gonna show you how I would take inspiration from this. See? So I'm gonna do my eyes first because I'm being experimental today. And actually, because I'm looking at the picture, and I'm like, I don't actually have anything these colors. I only have like liquid lipsticks these color. Guys, I think I'm gonna have to do a voiceover. So I'm gonna start off using my sleek liquid lipstick in this deep berry shade. And I'm gonna take a little bit on the back of my hand and then use my finger just to place that onto my eyelid. And then I'm gonna take a brush and blend that out. So as you guys can tell, I had to start doing a voiceover because the noise was too much. So now I'm going in with my Smashbox shimmer liquid lipstick, well, metallic. I'm just taking a little bit of that, just add a little bit of shimmer kind of tone into the eye, something that is a bit reflective, as it looks like that's what she has on her eyes too. So now I'm going in with my Born to Run eyeshadow palette by Urban Decay, and I'm just deepening the eyeshadow just to add a bit more definition in the outer corner, make it a bit more smoky. And now I'm going in with a tad bit of a black just to make it a bit darker. So yeah, just added that brown to smoke it out, and then the black just to add a little bit more definition and smoke it out. Do I look like Jourdan Dunn yet? So now I thought the shimmer wasn't enough, so I'm going in with this Fenty Beauty highlight palette. I'm going in with this cranberry colour just to add more of a pop to the eye colour, and yeah, I think that looks so much better. I'm just using my fingers to blend that out and then going in with the brush just to make everything seamless and no harsh lines. So now I'm just taking a face wipe just to clean underneath my eyes, to clean any fallout that might have gone underneath my eyes. And this is the reason why I really did the eyes first. And now we're going to go into the face. And I'm taking my Becca Evermatte Poreless Primer to start off with. This is my favourite primer. It's so good. If you guys want me to do a video on my favourite primers, let me know. I probably will do, because I think someone suggested it before. I just never got around to it. Okay, so that's done. Then I'm gonna go and use my MAC Match Master in number 9. This is an oldie, but a favourite of mine. Again, if you guys want me to do a video on favourite foundations, I'll be happy to. Come on. I hate the packaging of this one though. So I'm going to go in with my beauty blender. just on the end. Just pat it all over my face. Now I'm gonna take my favourite liquid highlight, which is the Nip and Fab Liquid Gold in the colour Deep Gold. And I'm gonna focus mainly on the high points of my face, so my cheekbone, bridge of my mouth, forehead, chin, a little bit on my forehead. If you guys have been riding with me, you know that I've been using this for forever. Like, it's basically finished. I never ever thought I could finish a foundation stick in my whole entire life. But here we go. So I'm going to contour. You guys know the usual places by now. I like to contour before I highlight because then I feel like it merges everything together nicely. I'm going to use my finger for this part. Take the same beauty blender and just blend away. Look how glowy I am. Yes. Okay, now for my under eye. So I'm going to take my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC50. Just take a couple of squirts on the back of my hand. I'm just going to put it directly onto the sponge. Lately I've been liking kind of like a dark forehead, but in the picture, her forehead is quite bright, so I'm going to just take a little bit and pop it there. Okay. So in the picture she has a really bright under eye. So I'm going to take my NARS concealer in Caramel, and it's the soft matte one. So I'm going to need a brush for this. I'm just taking this BH Cosmetics brush, and I'm just going to tap it into this area here before I blend it out. I honestly have no idea how old this picture is that I'm referring to, by the way, guys. She also has a really bright forehead, chin, and also on my brow bone. Take this brush just to blend that out. I mainly use this matte concealer because I don't have to set it, and because we're not using much powder, and obviously I have oily skin, I figured it would be quite good to use this. Just a few tips if you guys want to ever, recreate something like this for yourself. Okay, so I hope you guys are enjoying so far. Well, let's do the under eye, and then we'll do my brows, the rest of my face, and then we'll add the gloss. So I'm going to take the liquid lipstick again, put some more on the back of my hand. Let's go underneath my eyes. This is going to be messy. The only annoying thing about this is it's going to stay in my brush, so I would recommend using like a dark brush if you have one. Like a black. Her brows were really arched, but I think that's just her natural brows, and they were definitely very defined. So I'm going to take Spiked by MAC, and I'm going to go underneath just to create that more of an arch. I'm also going to go to the top here and make it a bit more defined in this area. So on her face, she has a little bit of blush, but it's kind of more like towards her contour. So I'm gonna do the same. So I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio, and I'm in Berry Amore, but I'm going to use the colour Desert only. The reason I'm using a fan brush is because I feel like I don't have any other reason really. So it's more like where her contour is. So, okay. I don't think she has any highlighter on, but I want highlight. So I'm going to go back in with the Nip and Fab and with the same fan brush. You want to kind of wipe off any excess and then you can go onto your face. I'm going to add my lashes off camera and then I'll be right back. Okay, so my lashes are on, and then you want to go in with setting sprays. I use the Urban Decay All Nighter. So in the picture, she basically has on what looks like nothing. So what I'm going to do is just pop on a nude, but I'm going to try and make it look as close to my skin colour as possible. So I'm going to go in with Bittersweet. I'm going to go in with my Dose of Colours. I think this is the More Creamer Please with it's the collaboration with Desi and Katie. Okay guys, so for the moment we all have been waiting for the gloss. So I'm going to use MAC lip gloss. I'm going to squeeze a little bit of this onto the back of my hand. I'm going to take my brush. You want to do it a little at a time. Kind of want to, I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing, but oh, I love it already. The annoying thing is when you blink, you can really feel it. Girl, you cute or whatever. Love it. I really am loving this. Like, oh, girl, I am living my best life right now. I just want to add more and more gloss. But there we have it. This is, it's a look. It's a look, it's a look, it's a look. What, how do you think I did? Are we twins? Do I look like Jourdan Dunn? Twinsy! I mean, I think I did a pretty good job. I think we're basically twins now. Like, nobody can tell me anything else because Jourdan Dunn is my twin. That's it for this video, my lovelies. So, you know the drill. If you like this video, give it a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any like images or people that you want me to like remake a look of, let me know and I'll try my best to do it. I really had fun doing this. It was kind of like different. I don't even know who did her actual makeup, but if I find it out, I'll put all the information down in the description box below. And as always, you can find the links to everything that you need on my blog, which will also be in the link down below. So yeah, I hope you guys have a lovely week and I will see you guys in my next one. Take care. And before you go, really? Of course I get interrupted in the middle of my sentence. Anyway, before you guys go, make sure you subscribe and I'll see you guys soon. Bye lovelies.